The human brain, a 3-pound universe nestled within our skulls. From our thoughts and emotions to our movements and senses, this remarkable organ is the seat of our consciousness, the conductor of our very being. The human brain, in all its intricate complexity, lacks a fundamental sensation familiar to the rest of our body: pain. Unlike our skin, muscles, or bones, the brain itself does not possess pain receptors. This remarkable characteristic allows neurosurgeons to perform intricate brain surgeries while the patient is awake. During these awake craniotomies, patients can communicate with the surgical team, providing real-time feedback that helps surgeons navigate the delicate terrain of the brain with unparalleled precision. The absence of pain in the brain itself allows surgeons to stimulate specific areas, pinpointing critical regions responsible for language, movement, or sensation. Imagine the surreal experience of being awake while surgeons operate on your brain, a testament to the brain's remarkable resilience and the marvels of modern medicine. The human brain, a tireless worker, demands a significant portion of our body's energy resources. While it constitutes only about 2% of our body weight, it consumes a whopping 20% of our daily energy intake. This energy demand reflects the brain's constant activity, even when we're at rest. The brain's high metabolic rate is a testament to its vital role in our survival. From the simplest of tasks, like breathing and regulating our heartbeat, to the complexities of language, creativity, and problem-solving, the brain's energy consumption fuels the very essence of what makes us human. The human brain is not a static organ, fixed in its structure and function. Instead, it possesses a remarkable ability known as neuroplasticity, allowing it to adapt, rewire, and reorganize itself throughout our lives. This inherent flexibility is essential for learning, memory, and recovery from injury. With every new experience, new connections are forged, strengthening existing pathways or carving new ones through the neural undergrowth. For example, if one area of the brain is damaged, other areas can compensate, taking over some of the lost functions. From learning a new language to mastering a musical instrument, embracing new challenges can help our brains stay agile, adaptable, and resilient throughout our lives. Deep within the intricate network of the human brain, a silent symphony of electrical activity is constantly unfolding. Billions of neurons communicate with each other through a series of electrical impulses, generating a subtle but pervasive electrical field. These electrical signals are the language of the brain, transmitting information from one neuron to the next across tiny gaps called synapses. The electrical activity of the brain can be measured using a technique called electroencephalography, EEG, which uses electrodes placed on the scalp to detect and record the brain's electrical rhythms. The next time you experience a surge of emotion or solve a complex problem, remember that it is the silent symphony of electrical activity within your brain that makes it all possible. As we surrender to the embrace of sleep, our brains embark on a journey into the enigmatic realm of dreams. During the rapid eye movement REM stage of sleep, when dreams are most vivid, our brains are abuzz with activity, replaying recent experiences, consolidating memories, and processing emotions. Dreams often serve as a canvas for our subconscious thoughts and emotions, revealing hidden anxieties, desires, and fears. By analyzing the symbolism and themes within our dreams, we can gain valuable insights into our waking lives, addressing unresolved conflicts and promoting emotional well-being. As we awaken from the realm of dreams, we carry with us fragments of these nocturnal adventures, shaping our perceptions, influencing our creativity, and enriching the tapestry of our lives. The human brain, far from being a solitary organ, thrives on social interaction. Wired for connection, our brains are exquisitely attuned to the nuances of human interaction, seeking out social cues, interpreting facial expressions, and responding to the emotions of others. From the moment we are born, our brains are shaped by social experiences, as interactions with caregivers and peers lay the foundation for our social and emotional development. Studies have shown that strong social connections can boost our immune system, reduce stress levels, and even increase longevity. These connections are not just beneficial, they are essential for our well-being. Conversely, social isolation can have detrimental effects on our health, increasing the risk of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. The lack of social interaction can lead to feelings of loneliness and despair, which can further exacerbate mental health issues. The next time you engage in conversation or share a laugh with a friend, remember that you are not just satisfying a social need, you are also nourishing your brain. Every smile, every shared moment, and every heartfelt conversation contributes to a healthier, more resilient mind. So cherish your social bonds and make time for the people who matter in your life. These connections are the threads that weave the fabric of our mental and emotional well-being. In today's fast-paced world, multitasking has become a badge of honor, a testament to our ability to juggle multiple demands simultaneously. However, contrary to popular belief, our brains are not wired for efficient multitasking. In fact, attempting to do too many things at once can actually decrease our productivity and increase the likelihood of errors. The human brain, while remarkably complex, is ultimately a serial processor, meaning it can only focus on one task at a time. When we attempt to multitask, we are essentially rapidly switching our attention between tasks, which can lead to cognitive overload, decreased accuracy, and increased stress levels. Instead of multitasking, strive for single tasking. Focus on one task at a time, giving it your undivided attention. Memory, often perceived as a faithful recording of the past, is surprisingly malleable and prone to distortion. What we remember is not always an exact replica of what actually happened. Far from being a static repository of information, memory is a reconstructive process, constantly evolving and changing. It is subject to biases, interpretations, and the passage of time, which can alter our recollections in subtle or significant ways. Each time we recall a memory, we are not simply retrieving a fixed file from the archives of our minds. Instead, we are reconstructing the event, often filling in gaps with our imagination or other memories. We piece together fragments of information influenced by our current emotional state, beliefs, and subsequent experiences. Our memories are colored by our feelings and thoughts at the time of recall. This reconstructive nature of memory has profound implications for eyewitness testimony, historical accounts, and even our own personal narratives. It challenges the reliability of what we think we know. Understanding the fallibility of memory encourages us to approach our own recollections with a degree of humility, acknowledging that our memories, while precious, are not always infallible records of the past. They are instead a blend of reality and perception, shaped by the ever-changing landscape of our minds. The human brain, divided into two distinct hemispheres, resembles a tale of two minds, each specializing in different but complementary functions. The left hemisphere, often associated with logic, language, and analytical thinking, excels in processing information in a linear, sequential manner. The right hemisphere, on the other hand, is the seat of creativity, intuition, and spatial awareness, processing information holistically and making connections that often elude the left brain's analytical grasp. Despite their distinct roles, the two hemispheres are in constant communication, exchanging information through a thick bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. From solving mathematical equations to composing symphonies, our two hemispheres work in concert, each contributing its unique strengths to the tapestry of human cognition. Music, a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries, has a profound impact on the human brain, eliciting a cascade of emotional, physiological, and cognitive responses. It speaks to us in ways that words often cannot, bridging gaps and connecting hearts across the globe. From the soothing melodies that lull a baby to sleep to the rousing anthems that ignite a crowd, music has the power to move us in ways that few other stimuli can. It can bring tears to our eyes, make us dance with joy, or even provide solace during difficult times. When we listen to music, our brains release dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This release is similar to the feeling we get from eating our favorite food or achieving a significant goal. This chemical surge explains why music can be so enjoyable and why certain songs can evoke powerful memories and emotions. A single note can transport us back to a specific moment in time, reminding us of people, places, and experiences long past. Music can also have therapeutic benefits, reducing stress, alleviating pain, and even improving cognitive function in individuals with neurological disorders. It is used in various therapeutic settings to help patients recover and cope with their conditions. The next time you find yourself tapping your feet to a catchy tune or losing yourself in the beauty of a melody, remember that music is not just entertainment, it is a powerful force that can soothe the soul, stimulate the mind, and enrich our lives in countless ways. Whether you are a casual listener or a passionate musician, the impact of music on our well-being is undeniable and truly remarkable. And so, our journey through the labyrinth of the human brain concludes. leaving us in awe of its intricate complexity and profound capabilities. As we continue to explore the inner cosmos of our minds, we can only marvel at the wonders that await us, the infinite potential that resides within each and every one of us.